Hello guys, what's going on? And today we're back in my kitchen, but you don't know how it looks like. So what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make hot chocolate. You can make strawberry hot chocolate. You can make any other type of hot chocolate, like chocolate hot chocolate. Yeah guys, so and shout out to David Mirosz, shout out to King Lee, yeah, shout out to David. So guys, my sister is going to be making it. She has this. She doesn't want to be in the video because she was just recording me right now a second ago. Alright guys, so first what you have to do is get milk. So yeah, you put as much milk as you want to be as much hot chocolate as you want. So guys, I don't want to be low because my mum's currently sleeping. And yeah guys, okay, so yes, after you put the after you put the milk in there, what you have to do, okay, just put just barely above, just barely above, so yeah. So guys, yeah, and just barely above. That's my baby sister. Right guys, and guys, you have to put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, which will be 1 minute 30 seconds altogether, 80 seconds. No, 90 seconds altogether. So yeah guys, so this is what we'll be using Nesquik to make the hot chocolate. It has cocoa powder in it, very little. So yeah guys, that's my sister. Until you can just talk to my sister. Say hi, sister. Hello. Alright guys, I think it's done yet. It's done. I'll be showing you guys my first sip of it. Guys, that's my baby sister that's making those noises. You put 1 tablespoon of, no, not tablespoon, you put that spoon, I don't know how much that is, you put that much. You put 2 spoons of it, no, not 2, 3 spoons of it inside the milk. 4 spoons, 4.5 spoons you put in. Then you stir for a minimum about 30 seconds or 1 minute if you want it to be more cocoa. Guys, I've been breaking the world record of the fastest clapping. Guys, watch this. Guys, yes, that was me. Guys, I nearly knocked down that hot chocolate. Right guys, you put 5 spoons, 6 spoons, 7 spoons of that Nesquik. That's good. Some daily hot chocolate. Oh guys, it is high on the carbs, and it's high on the protein. So yeah guys. This is not looking what the carbs protein is. Okay guys, yep, that's right. It should look chocolate there. And guys, if you even want to, you can add many things like marshmallows to it, to the hot chocolate. You can even add not ketchup. That's what I was about to say. Sorry. I don't know. You can even add, I don't know, mango ripe. And you can even microwave it more. You have to microwave it more because while you stir it, the chocolate is already cold and the milk is hot, so it becomes like just warm, like warm, and you want a hot chocolate. So that's what you do. You have to microwave it for a minimum of 1 minute for all of that to mix in, all of that carb. Oh, this is good, guys. Hi guys, this is my first video of how to make something, and I will be just drinking like 2-3 sips of it. Hey guys, my last video of mining later, I told you guys a way to get 3 Robux and how to get a shout out. I'll tell you that again. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to get a shout out. And to win Robux, you have to do the same, but type in your IGN, which equals IGN means in-game name on Roblox. And yeah, guys. Still shout out to David Mirosz, shout out to, okay, I said that in the beginning, yeah, so I'll say it again. Shout out to David Mirosz, shout out to King Luigi, shout out to Ultranado. Alright guys, this is hot, okay, guys. And let me show you guys the fast sip. Move over there. Yeah, 3, let's take it. 2, 1. Guys, that is so good, look. Yes. I've been enjoying this. And yeah, I've been enjoying this. Oh, that sounds good. Guys, I've been enjoying this. Shout out to my sister. I won't be showing her for making this because she knows everything about this. I love it. Just love it. So good. And guys, this video was sponsored by Nesquik. They told us to make a video. My first sponsor ever. So guys, yeah. And if anyone else wants to sponsor me, they can give me £1,000 to anything, to buy anything. Yeah, guys. Right, guys, so that's the end of the video. And still shout out to my sister. Big thanks to her. Oh, you just saw a little bit of her face. She didn't want you guys to see it, guys. Shall I? Just for 1 quick second. Alright, guys. Oh, the sunlight. Look bright. Oh. There's my baby sister. She's confused what's going on. Okay, that's my sister. Ooh. You guys just saw a little bit of her hair. Okay guys, bye bye. Stay YOLO and that's a peace.